G'day guys, it's Luke here from MECHCON Welding and Fabrication. Today we are viewing our works for another inner city landmark metalwork and steel fabrication project successfully completed. MECHCON's latest central Melbourne project here at QVM Queen Victoria Market required a sensitive approach with some critical factors in play before works and design was even ready to start. MECHCON had the responsibility to carry out investigations and to deploy appropriate equipment for civil works to be undertaken, to conclude methodology and systems to remove existing guardrails across a 300 metre long section of the market. Part of our initial site investigations and design was to demonstrate plans to QVM engineers how we would work within less than half a metre of the heritage listed wall for several weeks using heavy equipment without potential damage to the wall and compromising the footing. MECHCON was to demonstrate and essentially design a system that would work throughout variables of the ground covering over 300 metres in length. MECHCON's challenges were to strip back multiple layers of asphalt, carefully cutting through concrete sections where required, only millimetres off the heritage listed wall. It was a delicate process that needed thorough consideration from start to finish in multiple aspects. MECHCON showed QVM and management flexibility to work within varying substrates and ground conditions. Another variable from the start to finish was not interfering with the retailers and the tenants' daily setups of their markets and their shops. A lot of consideration was required consistently through the processes during the removal of the 27 existing guardrails and also the installation of newly fabricated guardrails. Each person on site had an ongoing responsibility for consistent awareness to ensure tenants and their rented areas were kept clean. From the outset, it was clear professional experience was required on this type of project and in these types of environments in and around central Melbourne, dealing with tenants and the public sensitive infrastructure. MECHCON proved again that working in and around Melbourne on government infrastructure, that we set a high standard every time.